Another grave marker. Rest in peace with a skull in front of it. And what's this? The lady. Hey, lady. Oh, she must have been eating something. She's got blood all over her mouth. And I guess the graveyard is not limited to male zombies, but female zombies too. Run away. Up in the air. Black and white. Oh! There's a couple of skeletons hanging in the trees. A couple ghost skeletons. Sonny and Cher. And they're singing, I got you, babe. Wow. Sonny and Cher. There is ghosts. Another zombie. Wow. Another zombie. Moving away, we find another tombstone. It says something. Buried alive today. It says lost soul. Somebody lost their soul. Now as we move around, we find Michael Meyer. And there's his bloody knife. Michael Meyer. As we leave Michael Meyer, we find another zombie. Looks like he's been chewed up in the face, scarred up pretty bad. It's a scary place. Blood all over him. And then we find another tombstone. It says Rig A. Mortis. Oh, Rig A. Mortis was buried there, huh? Rigor Mortis. Another tombstone. Baldy, rest in peace. The Mad Barber. Whoa, he must have cut his head off instead of his hair. And another tombstone with a ghost behind it. Rest in peace. And the ghost is sticking his tongue out. Here's another casket. The guy that got in a fight with a wrapping machine. He lost the fight. The wrapping machine won. Oh, that's a pretty bride. Yes. Oh, and the groom. The bride and groom. Oh, look. It's a skeleton bride. Yes. And a skeleton groom. Yeah, she's talking. She talks to her husband. Yes. his body chained down. He's chained down, can't move. Why was he chained there? It's a pendulum, and it cut the body in half. Look at all the guts. His feet are chained down, and his body's chained down, and he was cut in half. Moving along, we find another character, Jigsaw. Everybody's in this graveyard. Looking up on the deck, we have somebody standing there. Who could that be? Who could that be? It's Frankenstein. Frankenstein. And now we have over here, looks like a backbone with a skull and a face. It's got the head and the face is all scratched up with 5 scratches and the backbone. And somebody's holding it up. Who is it? It's Freddy. He carved up his face and then pulled his head and backbone right out of his body. There's his hand, his claw hand with the knives. We better run. We better run away from Freddy Krueger. Yeah. Then what we have up here? It's a mummy. Her eyes turn green. And she talks and moans.
Eat it.
The mummy.
Give it.
A singing skeleton pirate. He's dancing and singing. There's Chucky, the good guy doll. And then in the other rocking chair, Tiffany, Chucky's bride. Yes, she's even got Chucky tattooed on her chest. Tiffany. The bride of Chucky. Make that work. And then we have a witch with a witch's cauldron. And the witch is talking. Yes, there's the witch. but not least, is Jason. Jason Voorhees. Oh, nice moving. He's alive. Jason Voorhees. From Friday the 13th, Jason. Wow. Yeah, Jason. Oh, Jason. Jason. Put your mask. Put that on. Looking in the yard from the deck. I dare not wander out there again. It's getting dark, but you can still see the glow from zombies and ghosts all over. Yes. Well, that is Hell's Graveyard for you. Hope you had fun meeting the zombies. Bye-bye.